Is Microsoft Word holding your documents hostage with an annoying activation error? Don't worry, we're breaking down the fix in just 90 seconds. First, let's identify the enemy. Common error messages include activation required, product activation failed, or unlicensed product. Recognizing these is the first step to solving the problem. Next, ensure you have the right product key. Log into your Microsoft account associated with your Office purchase and find your product key under the Services and Subscriptions section. Copy this key, we will need it later. A stable internet connection is crucial for activation. Make sure you're connected to the internet. A weak or absent connection can prevent Word from verifying your license. Now, let's manually activate Word. Open Word, go to File, then Account, click Activate Product and enter the product key you located earlier. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. If manual activation fails, repair your Office installation. Go to Control Panel, then Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Office in the list. Right-click and select Change, then choose Quick Repair. If that doesn't work, try Online Repair, but note that it will take more time. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Office. Use the Microsoft Support website for the official uninstall tool, then download and reinstall Office from your Microsoft account. This will give you a fresh installation. And there you have it. You should now have a fully activated and functioning copy of Microsoft Word, ready for all your document needs.